How to change your password in Ask AI. Want to keep your Ask AI account super secure? Today I will show you how to change your password quickly and easily. No tech skills needed. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to www.iask.ai. Click sign in at the top right and log in with your current email and password. Once you are logged in, look for your profile icon or your name, usually at the top right corner. Click it, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In your settings, find the section labeled Change Password or something similar. Click on it to open the password update form. Now, enter your current password first. Then type your new password twice, once to set it and once to confirm. Make sure your new password is strong, mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, click Save or Update Password. You should get a confirmation message. Boom! Your password is changed. And that's it. Your Ask AI account is now more secure with your fresh new password. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.